Good morning. आज कति 28 जुलाई 2024 आज हामी चाहिँ यहाँ वायाङमा छौँ। आज हामी वायाङ रिभरमा कायाक गर्छौँ। यहाँ क्रुहरू रहेछ सबै आफ्नै ल्याए पनि हुन्छ अरे भन्ने ऊ छ क्या, आई डोन्ट नो। अब हामी चाहिँ यहाँ हायर त होइन कि हामीले त्यो बुक गरेको हो अनि उनीहरूले प्रोभाइड गर्छ यहाँबाट। आज चाहिँ एक्चुअली हो यता चाहिँ अब हामी वृक्षारोपण गर्न जाँदैछौँ होइन। अनि सुरुमा चाहिँ हामी यहाँ कायाक गर्छौँ अनि माथि त्यो भेन्यूमा जान्छौँ। अनि त्यो भेन्यूमा चाहिँ वृक्षारोपणहरू छ, ट्री प्लान्टेसन। त्यसपछि त्यहाँ चाहिँ म्युजिकहरू पनि छ अनि पहिला गाडी गरौँ अनि जस्ट एक्टिभिटीहरू हुन्छ, फन एक्टिभिटिजहरू पनि छ, म्युजिक छ अनि फुड चाहिँ अब पनि मेबी हुनसक्छ, लेट्स सी। अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ भेन्यूमा आएको छौँ। आज विन्डी छ, एकदमै धेरै विन्डी छ, एकदम विन्डी छ। लेट्स सी।
Here we are, getting closer.
Thank you very much.
Better?
Now I just come out and pull you back into the
Closer.
car.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. All good.
I haven't had to pull something back in the boat in a long time. Pulled something back in.
So put the life jacket on. अब प्याडल गर्नेलाई चाहिँ हामी नामसाम लेख्यौँ, उ गऱ्यो। ल यहाँको माहौल चाहिँ यस्तो छ होइन। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो बोटहरू हो होइन। यहाँको मान्छेहरू यस्तो छ, यो सबै यहाँ रेडी छन् होइन। हाम्रो बोट चाहिँ यो हुनसक्छ। ए हाम्रो चाहिँ यो बोट हो, यस्तो हुन्छ, दुईजना टक्क बस्ने। ल यस्तो रमाइलो हुन्छ। अब वाउ, यो हाम्रो एक्चुअली फर्स्ट एक्सपिरियन्स हो। कस्तो हुन्छ थाहा छैन। यो हाम्रो बोटहरू चाहिँ यिनीहरू हो होइन। त्यहाँ आज एकदम हावा लागिरहेछ, त्यही भएर यसमा चाहिँ बस्यो। यहाँबाट चाहिँ हामी जान्छौँ, टक्क माथि जान्छौँ। अहिले देखाउनु अब मिल्यो भने देखाउँछु, अब मिलेन भने अब भिडियो कसरी खिच्ने थाहा छैन। अब यहाँ सिङ्गल प्याडल गर्नेहरू पनि हुन्छ। ल म यहाँ यो मान्छे कसरी जान्छ यो देखाउँछु एकछिन। त्यहाँ एउटा मान्छे नि गइरहेछ। ल ल यो पनि पानीमा जानु लागेछ। बुढा रहेछ, बुढा हिरो पुरै पानीमा। ए उसको त जुत्तै अर्को रहेछ नि त, भिजे पनि नहुने। हाम्रो चाहिँ जुत्ता भिज्छ कि भनेर उसले चाहिँ अघि भनिरहेको थियो। ल यहाँ बुढी अजियोहरू पनि जान लाग्यो। अजियोहरू नाइस। 이 토야 뭐야 그래 이양 못 해줘 라 무서 어떻게 전화 좀 드노 alright
That isn't nothing big.
कस्तो लागिरहेछ र नि
How are you, sir?
लाइफ ज्याकेटमा?
Life jacket मध्ये खेल्ने भइरहेछ।
How many have we got?
I believe
20, but we've only got about 10. But anyhow, it's all about quality today. I'm hoping you're going to warm up a bit once we get on the water. Welcome. This is a Wyong Council event, and there's our guys up the back, Dan and Ben. Dylan and Ben, sorry. Yeah. Ben and Dylan are going to be having a bit of a chat to us in a minute. And as soon as they're done, we're going to get you launched on the water and get you warmed up, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to throw to you guys first off.
Yeah, sorry, just one second. We're just finalising something.
That's all right. Andy, let's pull 4 in here and we'll slide them out.
Yeah, no worries. Alright, so anyway, yeah, thanks everybody for booking in today and coming along with us. So before we get started, we'll just do an acknowledgement to country. So we'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land from which we work, live and play. We pay our respects to the Darkinjung country, elders past and present. We recognise the continued connection to these lands and waterways and extend our acknowledgement to the homelands and stories to those who call this place home. We recognise our future leaders and the shared responsibility to care and protect our place and people. So yeah, today the plan is we're going to go for a bit of a paddle along Wyong River. There's a few little stop-off points that we'll stop along the way to go over some of the things to give you a bit of background about the river and about some of the projects and that we do with Central Coast Council, trying to maintain our waterways. So for starters, so Wyong River, its the traditional name apparently has come from an edible yam. So it's like a traditional food that was available in this area. So it was obviously a place of plenty. There's also we've got Chapman's Hill and Watanabe, which is nearby, and Watanabe means a hill that's surrounded by waterways. So we've got a lot of local wetlands and that are all around here, and a lot of this all ultimately flows downstream into our Tuggerah Lake system. So we've got a lot of beautiful estuaries and that here on the coast, and then a lot of the work that we do with council, particularly in the estuary management team, is to try and improve our water quality, improve our local environment, and the ecological health. For now and into the future as well. So that's enough. I'll pass it over to Pete and that. I'll go through a brief, little safety brief before we get on the water, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, once we get out on the water, we'll find a place that's a little bit wider. We can have a bit more of a chat.
Nice and sheltered and in the sun, hopefully, so you warm up a bit. People, our paddle is not far today. It's only probably 3.5 k's each way, so it's not real long. All right, the kayaks you have rudders on the back, so you steer with your feet. So as I put you in the boat, we're going to adjust the rudder to make sure it works. You can see there's a club event on here for local kayakers. So once you get on the water, I want you to go up that way towards the bridge and just paddle around. Don't go past the bridge. Just paddle around so we're out of their way. They're doing timed races from here. Okay, so we'll hop out of their way. We've just got to launch you one at a time, one boat at a time. People, life jackets on all the time. There's a buckle I need to look at. It's all right. We're just going to have a look. Life jackets stay on. If you've got a phone, you bring it at your own risk. If you do bring it, I suggest you put it here, where you can, out for a picture, put it back there where it's safe. No guarantee if you fall out of the boat it's going to get wet. That's your problem, but I don't expect that's going to happen. Nice smooth water where we're going today, so it shouldn't be an issue. Okay, whistles, Andy and I have a radio, we're going to talk to each other, but also if you hear us blowing the whistle, 1 means stop if you're out the front, 2 means get together and make a raft, and we'll do a raft up further, 3 means just go to the shore. Okay, so if you hear the whistle, sometimes it's easier to communicate, especially when it's windy, to just blow a whistle to get everyone's attention. No? Okay, let's go. We need some boats ready. Who's ready?
Donald, no. Oh.
Right, let's do it.
Come on down.
No.
In this one. Come on, buddy. Who are you with? Are you with Andy?
Yeah, you're with me.
Okay, so we'll hold off with you for a sec, because Andy will be one of the last ones. Hop in here, buddy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, you know, if you need to. That's alright.
Okay. Sitting back in the seat, that's good.
No, it's okay.
Oh, there's a paddle, right?
Yeah, there's a pedal. You can feel that already,
Yeah.
hey?
Yeah, but like, do we just...
Yeah,
Okay.
just like that. And like that.
Alright.
Alright, push on your left one. Push on your right. That's it. That's all you
wow.
have to do.
There's a paddle as well. It's a paddle right there. Paddle TV, no?
Okay.
Yo पनि
Last thing I
सामान
didn't mention, people, when you're holding your paddle out in front of you like a bike blade straight up and down, Hands on heads and elbows at right angles. Okay, that tells you how far apart to put your hands. Out here's too far, in here's not very powerful. Okay, so in between.
In
You
between,
need a
okay.
lift in there, buddy. Andy's behind you, I'll give you a hand.
Alright.
Okay. So you need to put your phone away for a little bit now.
Alright, thank you very much. Finally, we're in the water. Sorry? ए ल यस्तो रमाइलो रहेछ नि त बिस्तारै बिस्तारै लाट्या नि बिस्तारै यहाँ ल यो चाहिँ वाइङ रिभर हो यो अगाडि चाहिँ माथि चाहिँ त्यो ठ्याक्क रोड हो त्यहाँनिर ट्रेन पनि जान्छ अनि रोड के गाडीको पनि हो त्यो अनि हाम्रो मुया साहेब चाहिँ यहाँ मजाले प्याडल गर्दैछ ल नाइस ल दुइटैतिर गर्ने हो क्या म एकतिर होइन त्यो त्यो डिरेक्सनको लागि चाहिँ हामीले खुट्टाले गर्ने हो क्या ल नाइस राम्रो दामी ल पुल मुनि जान लाग्यो है हामी यहाँ मिल्छ अब हामी माथि नै जाने हो क्या सिधै माथि नै जाने हो नि पछि आउने भने सिधै नै जाने हो अहिले पछि फेरि एक बजे फर्किने हो कि यसैमा हो भने जाँदै हो होइन नि ओ यहाँ पछा नाइस ल पुल माथि पुल मुनि आई मिन यो ट्रेनको पुल हो अनि ऊ त्यहाँ अगाडि चाहिँ उसको पुल हो गाडीको पुल हो के भयो सहिलो भयो अहिले मैले गरेकै छैन मैले भिडियो खिचिरहेको छु ल यहाँ गाडीहरू गुडिरह Okay, here we have some friends as well. Hazur? Yes, nyat ga. Chhuye jui mukta sa. Now we're all stuck. It's okay.
Seeds float, but they also just drop straight into the earth and spread that way. So you get them stand these things all the way along river banks and that sort of stuff. They don't mind a little bit of water, they don't mind wet feet, but they don't like it. They can tolerate it, but they don't like it.
Nice and warm in the sun now.
Yeah.
Okay, if you got a drink, good time to have a mouthful of drink if you got some with you.
Not really.
Nah.
No, this is where our drinking water comes from, which we'll go over later, but anyway. The reason we've pulled us up over here, it's not straight in front of us, but behind us, if you see on the other bank, there's a bunch of the bank that's all armoured with rock. So that's sort of part of some of the stream bank rehabilitation that we do. So urban catchments, like the Wyong rivers within, can contribute a significant amount of sediment and excess nutrient when it erodes, and that flows into our estuaries and then into our lakes. So particularly with Wyong, roughly about 10% of the sediment that erodes from the banks is like the finest size. So that has a massive influence on how turbid or how dirty the water is. Then also with that, it can also carry additional nutrients. So within Tuggerah Lakes, when you get out into the proper lake, we've got seagrass meadows surrounding the whole edges of the lake. Once upon a time, it actually used to grow more in the central basins of the lake as well. But things like increased turbidity, so that the dirtier water smothers that vegetation and doesn't allow it to grow properly. And it's actually changed the way that it grows within Tuggerah Lake. So Now it doesn't really grow in the centre of the basins anymore. It's more pushed around to the edges. So that's had quite a significant impact.
So I suppose if you filled your water bottle up from any northern part of the Central Coast this morning, or you've had water from your tap, so we do extract water from this exact river. So you can see the water's quite dirty or turbid at the moment. What we do, we extract water upstream from Woodbury Inn Park. So there's a pump station known as 1A. It moves the water from Wyong River into Marty Dam. Then from Marty Dam, it's a short pump across the road to Marty Water Treatment Plant. And then the water from there is distributed to residents and customers. That's probably it from me. Is there any other questions?
Do you get any hydro electricity?
No.
I think it's too small.
Not enough.
Not enough gradient.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
All right. Okay, people. Everyone good with comfortable with their steering and everything?
Yeah.
Okay. And he's trying to keep along the edges to keep you out of the wind.
Yep.
Just keep people in the back on the side of your boat. There's a green and a red knob on the right-hand side.
Yeah.
Just keep giving the green knob a little tug forward in case if the rudder touches on the bottom, it'll bend up and you won't be able to steer as easy. So just keep giving it a tug every now and again to make sure it's right down. Okay, Andy, you're it, matey.
Alright guys, when we get around the corner we're probably going to get a bit of headwind,
A little bit of
just
wind.
so you know.
Get a little bit of speed up and try and keep the boat straight. Yeah.
ल यस्तो रमाइलो छ यहाँ हामी चाहिँ लास्टतिर छौँ होइन यहाँ अरू सबै गाडी गइसक्यो हामी चाहिँ एकदम बिस्तारै चलाएर आइरहेछौँ यहाँ
But even in its current state, you'll notice when this is all on flood, when you look at Wyong River, it'll be like a very orangey brown colour with the water that's flowing through, the erosion, and the water that comes out of Porter's Creek is black, and it's quite a contrast. You see like a big difference like side by side. Colours, so sort of showing the role and the function that when you play that, it's basically like kidneys waterways, so pushing out or a lot of excess nutrients and sediment in there.
हामी चाहिँ यहाँ ठ्याक्क पुग्यो everyone's here coming along
And do they usually stay in a similar area? Or do they, no?
Yeah, they forage and I'm not sure if you get home ranges from where they nest.
Yeah. Cool and filled now.
हामी चाहिँ भर्खरै निस्क्यौँ लेट्स गो
Just watch your feet though, yeah.
ओके नु जङ्गलमा आयो हामी जङ्गलमा नाइस अब यो लग्नु पनि पर्यो नि फेरि फर्केर बुस वक भयो अब एकछिन ट्री प्लान्टेसन गर्नु त्यहाँ ऊहरू राखेको छ जस्तो लाग्यो स्टेजहरू whatever
फाइनली हामी त्यो पुसबाट निस्क्यौँ
यो पुस
अब
त्यहाँबाट
3 किलोमिटर्स कायाकिङ गर्दा पेडलिङ गर्दाखेरि हात दुखिसक्यो अनि बस्दा बस्दा हिप दुखिसक्यो अनि त्यसपछि हामीले फेरि यो बोट लिएर फेरि जानुपर्छ हाम्रो इनिसियल जुन चाहिँ आएको थियौँ हामी सुरुमा त्यही नै जानुपर्छ अनि we need to help them. We can't say we can't go.
उसलाई चाहिँ नजाने जस्तो कुरा anyway Oh, we have. What do we have here?
Everything is still
Is it inside of your? It's inside of your jacket.
She's holding me in the sun.
Can we touch it?
Why didn't she bite you or strangle you?
Well, what
Here?
did I say before?
Here
This
as well?
one's as a pet or wild one. Just
Here
on
as
the
well,
head.
no?
Yeah, because your hand is a little bit bigger than her head. So
Oh,
she might
okay.
get a bit scared by your hand.
Alright.
It's like if someone's, massive hand is coming out.
I'll be gentle.
7 years old, Dad.
Yeah.
7 years old, okay.
About 20 plus years.
20 years, okay, plus years.
Yeah.
Alright.
How many do they have at a
Wow.
time? I mean, snakes can. It's funny, they really vary. Like, one of the pythons have like 3, and then some will have like 20. It's like, how many does a carpet python? Because I haven't read them before.
Wow,
Come
cute.
onto my hat.
Can I touch like its forehead?
Forehead.
You wanna touch it? Touch it. Touch it. Slowly. Yeah. Yeah.
Princess. Diamond python.
I'm a bird specialist, so when it comes to snakes,
So brave.
Yeah. So हामीसँग यहाँ धेरै यो स्टलहरू छ अनि यहाँ फेस पेन्टहरू पनि छ यहाँ हाम्रो एभा Sorry.
Use the bucket of cold water. We'll get some light. Potentially put it underneath you.
Oh, you're cute. Nice. ल एभा छोरी इज फेस पेन्टिङ गरेर छ यहाँ क्युट क्युट वाला
That's your first artwork. That's really good.
यस्तो राम्रो पेन्ट गरिदिएको ल वाउ यस्तो राम्रो ल Yeah,
Is it
very.
okay if I get a photo?
Yes.
Is that all right? Is
Yeah.
it all right for social media or?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I take a photo.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful girl.
Yeah. Cute. Yeah, done, done, done. I'm just videoing. यो अर्को यो स्टलहरु पनि छ यहाँ यो कोआला के राख्दा छ यहाँ वा ससी नआउनु वा अझ ठाउँ कफी न फ्री कफी यहाँ हाम्रो कफी पनि छ के हो कति हो यो त पैसा तिरेर रहेछ नि त हाम्रो म्युजिक पनि बजिरहेछ अनि हामी ससेज खाने अब What is Nidhi having? Flower.
She's having flowers.
Daisy.
I have a different flower.
Yes.
You do?
Yeah, come on over, darling. Now, which one was yours again? This one?
Did you draw it? Wow.
Yeah, it's all dry. There you go. And your other daughter was
This is the other daughter's one.
Wow.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Nice, really cute.
no worries. And you can put in frame.
I can do one?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Come on over.
what? We can do a family.
Really, do you have any? Do you have any?
भिडियो काउला का
Okay, so just handprint like that.
It's on right left any
Maybe we try and maybe do this one without your watch.
or can we do
Would you like a family one? Yeah,
I'll come later my wife's there somewhere
Yeah, you want to do it with your family? You do your own and a family one.
okay
Yeah, we'll do that. Any which way, and just hands right out, fingers right out, separated. Yep, there we go.
Wait, that way.
We had to put up this temporary barricade because the wind let the water out. And then hands straight up. Oh, lovely. It's really hot today. And then we just got a bucket of water there. You can use that now. Thank you. And then I'll hang it up. Wow. Would you like some pink? Yeah.
나한테 반대 와 원래 싫어가 나
아, 실례다.
It's on Thursday. I'm thirsty. Yeah, however you like, just making sure you do them separate, like so. Yeah, or you can have your hand facing this way. That might be nice. And just fingers right apart. Okay, you ready? It's a bit cold. Alright, and then hands straight up. Beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
Wow. That looks really nice. I like those colours together.
let me show your face like here over here this direction it's so cute I like it हाम्रो दिदी पनि यहाँ फेस पनि यहाँ छौँ ढका नि नाइस दिदी छ फ्लावर ला नाइस क्यूट बाला वे
Our blue tongue lizard.
Wow. Nice. Look at this one, baby. Wow.
Yeah, they're very different, aren't they? But guess what? They both live together.
live together
Yeah.
brother and sister
Rather than, they're not the same.
uh,
But they do live together in the same enclosure. So they're both friends.
Oh, the tongue.
Ooh, you with me before.
oh
What do they do
blue
with
wow
their
it's a
tongue?
blue tongue
Smell with their tongue, don't they? They don't taste. Well, they can taste as well.
Oh, snake.
But with their nose, they just use it for breathing. Yeah.
no
Everyone.
let me come on
Yeah,
Alright.
nice gentle facts.
Snake what, Anu? Ah.
So, what do Prickles and Bubblegum have in common? They are both
Lizards.
lizards, but what about they are Sasabara?
Reptiles.
They are reptiles.
Yep.
And are reptiles cold-blooded or warm-blooded? Cold.
का आज ठाउँ नेसनल ट्री प्लान्टेसन यो पाले दिन्युले चाहिँ ट्री चाहिँ रोपेर का ठुम्सँग का हो बस का एकदम बाँलो का गुड ल हो का ठुम्यो ठो चाहिँ सल्ला यो पटी ट्री ठ्या जाउँ का ठो सल्ला ठ्या जाउँ र सल्ला ट्री का ए सल्ला यो पटी ट्री का ठो न ट गने ट मयु गनी ठो द नि योगदान दु गनी छियो जिलो का दिदी का हो ल अरे माटो मिलाऊ हो गुड ल का ग्रीन छु more towards greener to should I art or whatever should I to greener or towards वहाँ चाहिँ ढगा चाहिँ सिमपिया चाहिँ at least पुण्यको म्यामलले मलाई सिमपिया alright का एकदमै धर्मात्मा त गर्ने जिउ चिला अब बिहा चाहिँ सुले alright का आहा गजब का आठन चाहिँ ठो फक्कै एरिया चाहिँ ठो सानो चाहिँ फक्कै छिसाए ठन पिउ ह का आ मन त जुला ठो लगभग न्यू प्री प्रोग्राम चाहिँ सिरेन का ठीक छ याद याद नि छिमसा छु गु पिदे याद याद टोले इलाका वो बिटिंगे अपोजिट है टोले लिप मेरो पार्ट मेरो पार्ट यही का पहिले वर्ष न चाहिँ मगला सर्टेन गर्न गर्ने यो पार्ट याउ आठो चाहिँ ठो याटा ठुसी मेबले मेरो यही का
But it's something a koala loves to eat.
Eucalyptus leaves.
Eucalyptus. So they're one of the other animals that love to eat eucalyptus leaves as well. And not many animals can eat eucalyptus. It's actually pretty toxic. It's pretty cool. So they can digest the eucalyptus. And do you want to know something really gross?
Like as far as.
So with their poo, they actually eat the poo.
Yucky.
Gross, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Why do you think they eat their poo?
Who is this 5-year-old kid?
I'm your baby.
5-year-old kid. Maybe it's your first time face painting, is it? Okay.
Excuse me. The gold screen on this one? Yeah, the gold with some stars.
They're very pretty colours.
See, look at the oh, this is a good photo. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. I'll go to my
And I'm going to pull it.
Nice. Face painting for the first time. It's so lovely.
and
Scaly and you like it with. Oh, cool. You reckon it's a crocodile? Yeah, it's pretty big.
you don't have to be, it's not a big crocodile.
Whoa! Maya.
This is Sammy.
Sammy.
You know what he is? A crocodile.
Crocodile.
He's a crocodile.
How old is he?
What kind do you think he is? Freshwater? Is he a salty or is he a freshie? Fresh. You think so?
Fresh.
You think salty?
Fresh.
I think fresh.
Fresh.
You think fresh?
Fresh.
You think salt? You think fresh?
Fresh.
Alright. Because would I go swimming with a freshwater crocodile? Yeah. I go swimming with a freshwater crocodile because they love to eat fish. Would I go swimming with a saltwater crocodile? No. No? Because they love tourists who don't read signs. It's their favourite. So, is Sammy a freshie or is he a salty?
Fresh.
Because there's only one kind of
He
crocodile.
does
which
look a
lives
bit
in the
like a
salt.
freshie because he's so young, so he's got a long snout. But when they're babies, it's a little bit harder to tell apart. Because guess what? He is salty.
Uh,
He's a saltwater
Maya.
crocodile. So yeah, you can tell a little bit with the teeth.
crocodile so.
Less regular, the up and down. I'm going to take my hat off because it's just going to blow away.
Yeah.
It's just going to be less stressful if I leave the hat off in the first place. So he's a salty.
Salty.
And saltwater crocodiles love. They just eat meat. They're opportunistic feeders. And you're a pat. I'll bring him around.
Yeah, sure.
And big kids can pat too. He had his hot water bottle in there. So I'll have him out for a little bit. So you get some straw. I'll bring him around a few times.
Beautiful, rosy bumpy.
Wow.
How's Princess going? She's good. Good job. Oh, good job.
Wow.
He's not feathery like a bird, is he? He's scaly like a reptile.
Can we touch here?
And scales feel a bit different, don't they? But you don't have to like the feel of everything. That's okay.
Can we touch here?
And if you do, then all the other kids will start. So just wait on his back. Yeah.
Can Rivan touch it?
Yes.
Excuse me. Rivan, so tails kasa? Oh,
And yeah, it's pretty tough. Underneath is quite soft because they still need space to move and like space to get food when they eat stuff. Underneath the back legs is actually the nicest. You cut under his back legs.
Oh yeah, it's so soft here. See?
Super soft. So
Unlike
yeah,
go soft ni thang laga. Unlike थियो.
They're always under the water. I'm surprised our gazebo's doing pretty well today. When they're under the water, where they're likely to be attacked,
The pattern is
by
so
something over
beautiful.
the top.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
So they need to be tough on the top from birds pecking at their flesh.
Oh, भावना छ
So cool. I promise I'll remove it.
मुझे पनि ठीक टाइम आछ. Right.
Tastes like, I mean, not taste
Touch like
It feels like tile.
tail.
It's pretty fun there, isn't it? We had one.
The leg part is so soft. I like that part.
I bet that probably costs extra, doesn't it? And it's probably like, oh, we've come all the way here and now. Yeah.
It's next year.
A few a day.
Snake, what's up?
It's like when you go to like.
Excuse me.
Oi, snake go, snake go, snake go.
Snake go, Rivan. Oh.
Down there till we're all ready. Okay, rub it down, baby.
Do me a favour.
Yeah,
Knob.
tell me.
Go on the green knob.
Want you all to stop, okay?
Okay.
Push on the right pedal.
Yep.
Right pedal and paddle backwards.
You push on your right
Paddle
pedal
backwards.
back.
The boat will turn. There it is. Just drift. Just drift. Let it go. Watch.
Rudder will be up, I think. Yep, green one.
Got it. Left rudder now.
Don't pull. Okay.
माछा नि मलाई माछ मगा सो हामी अब भर्खरै चढ्यौँ फेरि प्याडलमा हैन अब मजाले जाने अब उनीहरूलाई लोड गर्छ हामी लोड भइसक्यौँ अब बिस्तारै जाने ल खै खै देखाऊ देखाऊ पन्जा लाऊ ल त्यो म यो बिचमा राख यो ओइ यो त्यो हो राइट ल सबै आउँदैछन् अब हामी बिस्तारै जानुपर्छ ल बिस्तारै गरेर त राइट खै लेफ्ट छिर्छ न अब पेडल गर ऊ गर राइट गर स्पिड पुगेन ल हाम्रो हो ल म गर्छु ल छोडा ओए खै Oh my god. La, alright, that's good. La. Already? Everyone's coming. Down. Hey. यो वायोङ रिभरमा चप्पु चलाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ एउटा एक जोडी चप्पू रे छुसिला चप्पू हाँ चप्पू रे बोट का नाइस ल ल ल ल कम अन के ल चलाउनु पर्दैन मन रे अरे अब मेरो पाला है ल अब हामी यहाँ हेर्न सक्छौँ यहाँ यो बर्डी पनि छ यहाँ अर्को बर्ड पनि छ हैन ओए चराहरु उड्यो कस्तो राम्रो ओ राइटमा ल अब हामी बोटमा पनि यहाँ हामी ठ्याक्क अघि देखाएको यो पुल आइपुग्यौँ हामी त्यसको पुलको मुनिबाट जान्छौँ मजाले सररररर लाएर ल माछा मारेर मान्छेहरू पनि छ ल देख्यो यहाँ फिसिङ गरिरहेको छ क्या त्यहाँ म खिचिरहेको छु बेबी ल एउटा पान सेप बनाउ त हार्ट यो ऊ हो क्या थम्बनेल ल जाउँ ल ऊ गर प्याडल गर रमाइलो ल दामी ल यहाँ यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ ट्रेन आइरहेछ नि ट्रेन ल ठ्याक्कै यो ट्रेन पनि चलिरहेछ ल ट्रेन गइरहेछ ठ्याक्क मैले भनेको ट्रेन आए राम्रो हुन्छ भनेको ठ्याक्कै आइदिरहेको ल अलराइट ल ठ्याक्कै हाम्रो यो ब्रिजबाट चाहिँ भर्खरै ट्रेन पनि गएको छ उता अर्को ब्रिजमा चाहिँ गाडीहरू चलिरहेछ हाम्रो चाहिँ यहाँ लास्ट पोइन्ट आयो अलिकति अगाडि गएपछि आखियो आजको ल अब यो हाम्रो ठ्याक्क अघि चढेको ठाउँमा आइपुग्यौँ अब उनीहरूले मिलाएर तानिदिन्छ हामीलाई त्यो ऊ पनि हुँदो रहेछ नि म यहाँ ब्याग स्याग राख्नलाई ठाउँ समय राख गुड अनि पर जाँदैन नभए त फेरि स्टेयर गरेर आउनुपर्छ यो चाहिँ आमा र छोरी यहाँ
Almost. Oh. Gotcha. Right. Hopefully you won't go anywhere. Try and stay there for me. I'm going to get these guys out because it's their turn. I'll come get you in a sec. Yeah. Yeah, you lot slow, son. Hazard, I get smacked by paddles all the time. I'm pretty good, pretty quick these days. It's hard to get me, but doesn't happen. Okay, Mem, if you would like to jump out. You're only lightweight. Go on the bottom, okay?
Alright, here we go. यो यहाँ हाल्दिउँ How was it?
Nice, fantastic.
Fantastic?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot? Thank you very much.
You had a good paddle?
Yes.
Good, don't lose these.
Oh yeah.
They're yours.
Oh yeah. Souvenir.
What about
Souvenir,
your phone?
exactly.
Is it in the pocket or where is it? Your phone.
Which one?
The other one.
His
Yeah,
phone,
here.
he's got it in his
No,
hand.
other
He
phone.
got my phone too.
He's got two phones.
Yeah.
You hide that one in this little pocket. Oh, yes.
That's how you find me. A little
Okay.
bit dusty.
Yeah, it is.
There you go. That's all right.
Okay, this is the details.
You just look up Out and About Adventures. Okay, and you can see
Definitely.
all the things we do.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All good.
See ya.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Thank you guys. We enjoyed a lot. All right. Yep. Yep.
See ya.
See ya. Bye. Yeah.
You need a break. You need a coffee and quiet. Have sleep. Thank you very
See
much.
ya. All right. आज हाम्रो कायाकिङ सक्यो यस्तो रमाइलो भयो यस्तो रमाइलो भयो ओ माई
एकदम रमाइलो
गॉड
भयो।
यस्तो रमाइलो भयो तर हात चाहिँ दुख्दो रहेछ होइन फर्स्ट टाइम सोल्जर हात ओ माई गॉड एकदम रमाइलो भयो ल वाउ ओके अल गुड अब हामी जाँदैछौँ दिदीको घरमा वी ह्याडन ह्याड लाइक हामीले खासै केही खाएको छैन इट्स अलरेडी 1 right now अब दिदीकोमा जान्छौँ केही बनाएको छ खान्छौँ Alright, I'll end this with this. Thank you very much. See ya. Bye. Bye.